Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Pink and Maine. I have a very fall inspired card using the August release. Hope you enjoy this fun, easy, non-stamping card. For this card, we're going to be using the Wreath based dies along with the fall wreath decor dies, along with some cardstock, and this is brown, orange, green, and our card base. We're going to begin by die cutting the wreath from the brown cardstock along with the leaves from the different color cardstock, and I like to kind of multitask when I die cut, especially because we are cutting multiples of the leaves and the pumpkins. Then, using the hello from the wreath based dies, I've cut it 4 times on regular white cardstock. Then using some pen adhesive, I'm gonna glue the hello on top of each other to create a really thick card die. Now it's time to put our card together. We are going to place our paper that looks like wood onto our card base. Next, we are going to place the wreath from the wreath based dies. We're going to be using foam adhesive, placing a couple of dots on each piece and placing it down on the card base. Next, using the little decors from the fall wreath decor dies, I'm going to layer these on one side of the wreath. Then that hello, we're going to glue it on top of the wreath, place some more leaves on the corner, and that cute pumpkin. As a finishing touch, we're going to be using some brown glitter Nuvo drops just to give this a nice glow. And there it is, a non-stamping card using your August release of fall wreath decor dies. Thank you so much. Have an awesome day.